Hi everyone, my name is Anna and welcome to my channel. Or should I say, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are traveling in another sense of the word, through food. And we're going to Mexico to try out a new recipe. So simple and easy that you can try for your own dinner. Quesadillas. So, would you want to join me? Without further ado, let's do it. Here's the ingredients: olive oil, onion, chicken, bell pepper, salt, burrito mix, tomato paste, white wine, coriander, grated cheese, and tortillas. Place the chicken into a frying pan with olive oil and let it simmer until it becomes golden. Give it a mix once in a while. And then add the burrito mix in order to make it more flavorsome and more Mexican as well. Then add the onion and the coriander. Add the salt and add the bell peppers, which make this dish so wonderful. Add a bit of tomato paste and then add a little bit of white wine in order not to make it so sticky. For the assembly of our quesadillas, drizzle a little bit of olive oil in a pan in order to not make it sticky. Then drop a tortilla in it in order to make it golden. Turn it over place grated cheese on half of the tortilla. On the other half, you have to put the chicken filling, of course. Now comes the most complicated part. You have to fold the tortilla like an envelope or like an omelette. Turn it over just to seal it a little bit more. Turn it over again. And voila, you have one quesadilla made. Just repeat the process to have more. Then serve it in a very nice setting with guacamole and nachos in an outdoor patio. Amazing. Enjoy, it's really good.